The world of tech is always buzzing with exciting leaks. And today we've got something fresh about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you've been keeping up with Samsung's tablet lineup, you're probably already familiar with their usual formula: one base model, a Plus variant, and the Ultra for those who want the absolute best. But things are shaking up in 2025, and Samsung has some interesting surprises in store. For starters, this year, we're seeing the return of the Galaxy Tab S11 base model. But the Plus version, it seems to have been left out entirely. That's right. This year, Samsung has decided to focus on just the base and Ultra models. And of course, the S11 Ultra is still at the forefront. But that's not the only twist. Rumors also indicate a new Tab S10 Lite in the works. This new variant will cater to those looking for a more affordable option, powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, which we've seen in other budget-friendly Galaxy devices. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is particularly intriguing because it marks the return of MediaTek chips in Samsung's premium tablets. Last year, the Tab S10 Ultra made waves for being Samsung's first tablet with a MediaTek chip instead of the traditional Snapdragon. Despite some initial skepticism, it didn't disappoint. In fact, the S10 Ultra delivered excellent battery life, smooth performance, and minimal overheating, which made it a strong contender against other flagship tablets. But 2025 brings even bigger changes, especially in terms of performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is the new powerhouse from Qualcomm, boasting a 40% performance boost over its predecessors. While this chip promises major leaps in power, Samsung has decided to stick with the Dimensity 9400 from MediaTek for the S11 Ultra. The Dimensity 9400 is still a solid chip and will undoubtedly offer strong performance, but it's clear that Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite could leave it in the dust in terms of raw power. And for a tablet that could be priced around $1,200, you'd expect Samsung to really push the envelope, but it seems like they're holding back a bit in this area. Now, let's talk about the software side of things. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will come with One UI 8 right out of the box, but don't expect huge changes here. One UI 8 will bring some refinements and minor upgrades, but it's One UI 8.5 that will bring the bigger improvements, set to release alongside the Galaxy S26 Ultra in January. There's also a small but fun addition in One UI 8, a revamped weather app. The new app includes interactive 3D elements, so when it's raining, your avatar might appear with an umbrella. A cute little touch that adds some fun to the experience. In addition to that, the Tab S9 and Tab S10 series are getting updates with One UI 7. This 5GB update includes security patches for April 2025, and the rollout has started in South Korea. Other regions will likely see it soon. While we're on the topic of Samsung tablets, there's also word of a trifold phone that can transform into a 10-inch tablet. This device is pushing the boundaries of foldable tech, and if tablets are your thing, this is definitely something to watch out for. Make sure to check out the details on that by clicking the link right here. So, what do you think of Samsung's new direction with the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra? Will the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 hold up against the Snapdragon 8 Elite in terms of performance? Or is Samsung missing a chance to match the raw power of Apple's iPad Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more updates on all things tech. See you in the next video.